Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. Myself Amrit. In this tutorial, we learn how we can remove a pimples or a blemishes with just a easy way, and with that you can make your skin beautiful. To learn this, let's get started the video. To follow this tutorial, you can download an image from a description. In the first step, just make a copy of this background layer. I am just press Ctrl J to make a copy of this. I am creating here two copy of this background layer. I am just press Ctrl J. Now our copies are created. Now I am select this layer 1 and I am convert this into a smart object. I am just right click on it and convert this into a smart object. We are converting this into a smart object because if we later on needs to change these values, then we can do that easily. Now our this layer is converting into a smart object. I am also convert this layer 1 copy into a smart object. I am just right click on it and convert this into a smart object. Now over these two layers converting into a smart object, now I am select this layer 1 and I am change its name to a remove pimples. After changing its name, I am just hide this layer 1 copy, and after this I am just go to top panel and select here a filter. In this filter I am selecting here a blur. In blur I am selecting here a Gaussian blur. With this Gaussian blur we are removes our these pimples. I am just increase here a value of this Gaussian blur. You can stop where you see these pimples are removed from our image. I am just selecting here a value of 20 pixels. After selecting a value of 20 pixel, I am just hit on a OK button. You can select here a Gaussian blur values where you are satisfied. But I am selecting here a value of 20 pixels. After this, I am just unhide this layer 1 copy and I am just change its name to a texture, because we are creating here a texture with the help of this layer. I am just select this now texture layer and I am go to top panel and select here a filter. In this filter I am selecting here this others, and in others I am selecting here a high pass. With this high pass we are not losing our details in this image. I am just increase here a value of this high pass. You can just stop where you see this skin texture is coming through our image. I am selecting here a value of 8.3 pixels. I am OK with these values. After this I am just hit on a OK button. Now I am just change its blend mode from normal to vivid light. After changing its blend mode, just select this texture layer and this remove pimple layer. I am just select these two layers, and after selecting these two layers just press Ctrl plus G to make a group of these two layers, and after making its group I am just change its name to a remove pimples. Now you can see a magic to begin. After changing its name, just add a mask on this and select this mask and press Ctrl plus I to invert this mask. Now just go to side panel and select here this brush tool, and in this I am selecting here a soft round brush, and with the soft round brush just paint on her skin. I am just making my brush larger and just paint on her skin. You can just paint on her skin. With this you can see here this pimples are removed from her face. Now you can see here our final result. This is before, this is after adding these all layers and painting on her skin. That's it. With this simple step you can remove any pimples or blemishes from your image. So I hope you really enjoy this video. If you did, make sure you like this video and also subscribe this channel for more tutorial like this. So see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.